Peoria County. This message is being issued for residents of the city of Peoria. A citywide parking ban is in effect from 6 p.m. February 1st through 6 p.m. February 3rd. Residents must move their vehicles from all city streets to allow for plows and emergency vehicles. Alternative parking locations include the south parking lot of Northwoods Mall, 2200 West War Memorial Drive, Twin Towers Parking Garage, 123 Southwest Jefferson Street Niagara Parking Garage, 109 West Adams Street, and the Jefferson Parking Garage, 236 Southwest Jefferson Street. Parking is free in these locations until 8 a.m. on Saturday, February 5th. Do not park in the alleys. Any cars left on the streets are subject to towing and tickets. During the snow event, residents are asked to stay home for their safety and to let snowplow drivers and emergency vehicles work. Repeat, a citywide parking ban is in effect for the city of Peoria starting at 6 p.m. this evening. For more information, call 494-CARE Monday, Friday from 8 to 6 and Saturday from 9 to 1.